Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to put a watermark on a video using your cell phone. Before we start, I would like you to subscribe and like this video. It just helps me a lot to bring more videos of this type to you. Let's start the video. The first thing we will do is open our app store and search for the app called CapCut. It is a very famous video editor, most known commas. Click install, and after installed, let's run the application. Once you open the video, click on the blue button where it says project and choose the video you want to put the watermark on to post on a social network. As soon as we open the video, we can come across some options at the bottom of the screen. We see that the third option is written text. Click on that option, and now click on add text. Now, you will basically put your channel name written on the screen. This watermark helps protect your video from duplication or unauthorized postings about your video indicating that you are the owner of your video. After you write, note that there are several different font options. Try to choose a good font in which the watermark is easily visible and readable. After choosing a good font, you can select the size of your watermark. Just pinch your finger to adjust the size. In addition to these options, you also have many more customization options, such as colors, effects, and even animations, where your watermark can move throughout the video. In this next step, select the Styles option and drag it down a little until you find the opacity option. It is important to adjust this so that the watermark is clearly visible without interfering with the video content. I always leave the opacity at 30% or so, but you can do it however you want, however you think is best. This next step is very important so that the watermark is visible throughout the entire video. We will click on that orange bar at the bottom of the screen there is our watermark. Let's take and stretch this orange bar to the end of the video so that it stays in the whole video. Note that at the end of the video, there is a kind of ending with the name of the application. You can delete this closure easily. After completing all these steps, you are ready to save your video to the gallery. You can select the video quality and then click on export. After that, your video will be saved to your gallery successfully. And the video ends here. I really hope I helped you in some way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.